Dear students, yesterday we discussed coordinates of a point and distance. Actually, coordinate is the numerical value of that point on a straight line, and the distance between these 2 points is defined as the larger value minus smaller value, means larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate, and this difference gives the distance between 2 points. Yesterday we discussed betweenness. Betweenness, if you are given 3 points A, B, C, distance AB is given 1.5 meter, BC is given 0.75 meter, and this total distance is given 2.25 meter. So the largest distance is AC and is equal to AB plus BC. That time you can say that given 3 points are collinear or on a same straight line, and you know that this new concept is a collinear points. If 3 or more points lie along the same straight line this way, you can say that these 3 or more points are collinear points. Means in this case A, B, C, D, E and F, all the points lie along the same straight line, so these points are called collinear points. And if you take this point G, which is not on this line, then we can say that G is a non-collinear point. So A, B, C, D, E, F and G are non-collinear points. Now we will take activity on page number 4. Please open the book. This activity is very important. Activity, there is the first one. Points A, B, C are given a side. This is the activity. Points A, B, C are given a side. Check with a straight thread whether 3 points are collinear or not. If you join this point and if you get the straight line, you can say that these 3 points are collinear. If they are collinear, write which one of them is between the other. This A, B, C are the 3 points. B lies between these 2 points A and C. So this is the first activity. Second one, given a side are 4 points P, Q, R, S. Check whether 3 of them are collinear or not, and which 3 are non-collinear points. If in case of 3 collinear points, state which of them is between the others. If we join these 3 points P, R, S, and we get a straight line, but Q is not along this line, so that Q is a non-collinear point. So in this case P, Q, R or P, Q, S are non-collinear points, while the P, R, S are collinear points.